It's your boy Slank in the building. Once y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, man. Just holler at me, you know what I mean? Be on this journey with me. But I got an 04 Chevy Suburban sitting on some 28s, getting some work done. Y'all gonna be on this journey with me. I know last time I posted a video was probably like maybe about 5 months ago, but hey, it takes time once you start to put money into your vehicle, man. You want it to look good, so it's about that time. So y'all gonna go ahead and take this journey with me. But I'm gonna go around the truck, let my installer guy let y'all know what's going on, what he's putting on the truck. We're doing a lot of work, and I'm coming.
What's up, guys? My name's Bill. Started my company called Wicked Wire. We handle most of all your 12-volt wiring needs, your low voltage wiring needs. Automobiles and boats are my specialty, but I also dabble into a little home audio and video as well. So we're gonna clean all this up. This is some nasty stuff. Some of this has been existing on top of the carpet and just laying underneath the seats, all bundled up. Brought it to me with some video not working. I found some broken RCAs, some pinched wire that interferes with all of our signals. So we're gonna yank all that out. We're gonna yank all the seats out. We're gonna yank all this audio out. And we're gonna start all over. We're gonna put some black carpet in here. We're gonna put some new upholstery, new headliners, try to find some new door skins. Might even do a little something different in the back. We don't know yet.
Yes, sir.
That's to come.
To come.
But we'll definitely be taking pictures with some LED lighting in the wheels, LED lighting underneath, LED lighting in the grill. And then we're gonna come back here and maybe spice it up a little bit.
We got a 24-inch flip down there. We got the 12.1 headrests. We got some kicker 15s in the building. You know what I'm saying? We light up back here, man. We light up back here. You hear me? We playing no games, man. Let y'all go around, man. I got these. I went ahead and changed the back bumpers out. I went with the smoke black. You know what I mean? And we got these tips, man. These little Camaro tips we got on here, man. I got them put on Friday. Then we got these 28s here, and then we got the slotted rotors and powder coated calipers. And I also got some powder coated shocks back there. And I also got the fold out steps on here, man. It's good stuff here. It's got a little something back here, man. A little something. Hey, don't forget, I got this carbon fiber here I got on here, man. I'm actually gonna redo this. Right now, it's probably be the last thing that I get. Got a little something underneath here, man. A little intake here, man. It's nothing big, something small, but it's my baby, and I love it.
We're gonna get all that hidden inside the console. You're not gonna see any of that anymore.
A lot of work. Hey, I want to thank y'all for watching my video. With your boy Slank Diesel in the building. You know what I mean? Hey, y'all go ahead and share, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be alert when I post a new video. Y'all stay tuned, man. This journey's gonna be crazy. You gotta remember this. I'm coming. That bourbon coming. Hey, if y'all want to get in contact with the dude that's doing work on my truck, Wicked Wire, his link will be in the description below. Hit him up, Facebook, Instagram. Y'all let me know. Y'all know how I end my videos. Yeah.